Hi guys, this one's about predicting products of combustion using a hydrocarbon, which is a compound that contains only carbon and hydrogen. Could be C2H2 like here, or C2H4 like this one, or C4H10. So really any combination of carbon and hydrogen will give us a hydrocarbon. And then when you burn a hydrocarbon in the presence of oxygen, the two products you will get will be carbon dioxide, CO2, and water, H2O. So let's take a look. I rewrote for the ethane gas and oxygen, creating water vapor and carbon dioxide. What I did is I rewrote the skeleton equation for balancing, but I'm going to do it visually first. So what I'm going to do is, because right now the equation shows only one of each molecules, I'm going to drag one of each molecules and put them underneath each compound formula. So then O2 is right here, just to get me started. Then I have water. So grab one water, put it there, and carbon dioxide, and put it right here. Okay, so you can visually check for the number of particles of each color. So you can see that hydrogen, the blue, seems balanced right now because you have two on each side. But carbon, you have one on the right side and two on the left. However, you don't want to balance that first, because what happens is you want to make the number of oxygen even, because no matter what's going to happen on the right side, no matter what I put in front of O2, I will have an even number at the end. And the water here has only one oxygen, so that will never give me an even number until the number of oxygen in the water is even. So I'm going to start by adjusting water first to give me an even number, in this case 2 oxygen, right? Now when you do that, notice that that increased the number of hydrogen on the right side, so let's fix it on the left, and let's add another C2H2 molecule there. And now I have 4 blue hydrogen on each side. However, that changed the carbon to 4, so the gray ones are carbon, but I only have 1 in CO2 on the right side, so I'm going to need more CO2, so I'm going to add that right now. Let's add some more CO2 to make it that I have 4 carbon on each side. So that gives me 4 gray ones here, 4 gray ones here, blue, or 4 and 4, that's good. So now it's time to balance the oxygen. I have 2 over here, and I have 2, 4, 6, 8. So 8 plus 2 gives me 10, which means I need more on this side. I need to make 10. So I'm going to drag enough to have 10. And there we go. So 5 molecules of oxygen are needed for that. And now you can count for each number of particles. You just put a coefficient in. So of course I have 2 particles of C2H2. I have 5 molecules of oxygen. I have 2 molecules of water. And of course 4 of carbon dioxide. And that balances the equation. So there you go.